Brett Martinez from Redwood Credit Union, coming to you from my new home office where I got my haircut in my garage a couple days ago, and I've got my goatee coming in way grayer than I ever remember it being in the past. The National Credit Union Foundation asked me to answer two questions. Share what's inspiring me about credit unions and what they're doing right now. And secondly, what advice do I have to help credit unions stay inspired throughout this whole crisis? It's going to last a while. The first one, what's inspiring me about what credit unions are doing is easy. It's the stories. It's the stories about how credit unions are helping their members and their employees and their communities during this time. You know, the members were deferring loans, waiving fees, stepping up and doing PPP loans for those small businesses, helping members make sure they get their stimulus checks and we're not offsetting that, keeping services available and being there for our members. And then the employees, it's really balancing that member service and keeping our employees safe. I'm hearing everybody talk about the importance of keeping the employees safe. If we don't have the employees, we can't serve the members. We are essential businesses, and that's not an easy thing in today's time. But you've got people working from home, you're keeping the branches open, and I'm hearing all kinds of stories about how all these videos, and we're actually communicating with our staff more than we were in the past, and how we're things that we're doing for the employee engagement, from happy hour to online yoga classes. And then there's our communities. I talk about all the time how I believe our core business is the biggest thing we can do for our community, is all those things that I said we were doing for our members, the deferments and even 0% loans, and helping our members and our small business members survive through this period of time is the biggest thing that we can do to help our members and to help our community really throughout this time. And then many of us are still helping those nonprofits like the food bank that are serving food to people that are struggling right now. I talk a lot about differentiation in credit unions also, and as you know that Redwood Credit Union, many of you know that Redwood Credit Union has been through a lot of disasters. Since 2015, we've had multiple fires, floods, power outages, and forced evacuations. And I didn't know that the recession and all these disasters were really training us for something like this, for this global pandemic, something the worst that I've ever seen. I thought I had seen everything, but clearly I have not. But it doesn't take a regional or national disaster for credit unions to differentiate. It's those everyday things like death in the family, divorce, loss of job, loss of income, where we can step up, even government shutdowns, where we step up and really show how we differentiate ourselves and serve our members in the time that they need us the most. It's something that really takes our brand as individual credit unions and as an industry to the next level. So what advice do I have for credit unions to continue to stay inspired through the crisis? First of all is stick to your mission. And stick to your mission no matter what. Think about why you created your mission. Your mission was to help drive you, but during the good times, but most importantly, during the bad times. And tell those stories. Tell those stories about how you've impacted your members, your employees, and your communities. Share them within your organization and share them outside your organization. Also think, we're running around and we're very busy, but taking a moment to step back and really absorb the impact that we're having and allowing ourselves to be proud of the impact that we're having. I know I'm proud of the impact I'm having and my team is having at Redwood Credit Union, but I'm also very proud of our industry and everything that you're doing. So be safe, and I very much look forward to sharing all these stories with you on the other side of this pandemic.